When your strength is almost gone and the night feels way too long, when your prayers feel like they fall and you hear no sound at all.